So in continuation with the previous lecture in which we were discussing agreements in distributed system, we were discussing about the Byzantine failures. Now we will see some scenarios to clarify it. Simplified scenario: two perfect processes with unreliable channel need to reach agreement on a 1-bit message. If the channel is unreliable, then two perfect processes, the processes are perfect, they are working perfectly, but they need to reach an agreement. For example, two army problem, two armies waiting to attack. Two armies are waiting to attack each other, and each army coordinates with a messenger. A messenger can be captured by the hostile army. Can generals reach agreement? What it shows, two perfect processes can never reach agreement in presence of unreliable channel. So as we have seen, if the channel is unreliable, then the two processes, they cannot reach to an agreement. That is Byzantine general problem. Can n general reach agreement with a perfect channel? M general out of n can be traitors. That is, they may be traitors. So this is the fault. Uh, then a method is atomic multicast. We are discussing all these things in very brief manner, but it will just give you an idea. Atomic multicast a guarantee that all process received the message or none at all. That is, atomicity is there. Either all processes will receive a message or no process will receive a message. And in that case, a concept of replicated database can be an example. It needs to detect which update has been missed by a faulty process. The problem: how to handle process crash. The solution is group view. In that case, how you will handle the process crash? Group view. That is, we will go for the polling. The group will send their views, and the majority, the view which is having the majority, that will be agreed. That is, each message is uniquely associated with a group of processes. View of all process group. When messages or message was sent, all processes in the group should have same view and agree on it. As I have told you before, that the voting will be there and the processes should have same view. That is atomic multicast. Replications for the fault tolerance. The basic ideas: we use replicas. Replicas means the repeated copies or the copies at different locations. So the basic idea is to use replicas for the server and the data. So we will keep the replicas of the server and data. Technique 1: split incoming request among replicas. So the incoming requests will be splitted among the replicas. If one replica fails, then in that case other replica takes over its load. Uh, so as we know that we use the replica for server and data, so in that case if one replica fails, if there is some failure which has occurred at one replica, then another replica will take the load. It is suitable for crash tolerance. Each replica produces correct result when it is used or it is us. The another technique may be send each request to all the replicas. In the previous technique, if one replica fails, then the charge will be taken over by the another replica. The another technique is send request to all the replicas. The replicas vote on their results and take majority results. So in that case, the majority of the results sent by the different replicas will be taken. It is suitable for BFT. A replica can produce wrong results. 2PC, 3PC, Paxos are the other techniques of the fault tolerance. Then consensus agreements, that is consensus versus Byzantine agreement versus agreement. It achieves reliability in presence of faulty process. Because reliability is very important, it requires process to agree on data value needed for the computation. All the process should agree on the data value needed for the computation. For example, whether to commit a transaction, agree on identity of a leader, atomic broadcast or distributed locks. So these are the example for the commitment of the transactions, uh, or the to agree the identity of the leaders, or atomic broadcast or distributed locks. Properties of the consensus protocol with fail stop failures. That is, the different properties may be the agreement, every correct process agrees on same values. The another is the termination, every correct process decide the same value. Validity, if all propose V, all correct processes decides V. And integrity, every correct process decided at most one value, and if it decides, someone must have proposed V. So these are the different agreements. So I have taken the things in very brief manner, and basically it is a theoretical, and a lot of literature is available. So in details you can go from any of the literature. Thank you very much.